What if we had to rebuild human society from scratch? Imagine waking up to a world where everything cities, technology, and knowledge is wiped clean. Just nature and us, starting over from scratch. How would we rebuild? First, we'd need shelter, food, and fresh water. We'd have to remember ancient skills, like hunting, gathering, and fire starting. Small communities would form, working together just to survive. But then, how would we decide on rules? Who leads, who follows? Without history's lessons, we might repeat mistakes, or create a fairer world. Could we avoid conflict and use science to grow better? What kind of society would you help build if the future depended on it? Let's dive into this thought experiment on Beyond Hypothesis.